The National Weather Service is under the spotlight for the warnings it issued ahead of the deadly floods in Texas. Now, despite local offices being fully staffed and issuing timely weather alerts, there was an unthinkable loss of life from this extreme flash flooding. ABC's Perry Russum is in Washington with a look at the timeline of the weather alerts.
As rescue teams search for the missing in Texas, a new focus today on the warning sent out ahead of the floods. The National Weather Service issuing the first flood watch at 1:18 in the afternoon the day before. Later that day at 6:10, the Weather Prediction Center highlighting 3-inch rainfall per hour expected overnight. At midnight, the heavy rain starts. Then at 1:14 in the morning, the National Weather Service issuing a considerable flash flood warning. That's the type of warning where an alert is sent to your phone. At 3:35, the warning upgraded with more serious wording. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Then at 4:03, upgraded again. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. The National Weather Service is facing staffing shortages, but so far there is nothing to indicate that can be connected to this flood. And the Associated Press reports extra workers for the area were called in ahead of the flood warnings.
Are you investigating whether some of the cuts to the federal government left key vacancies at the National Weather Service or in the emergency coordination?
No, they did not.
With FEMA now on the ground, questions remain over that agency's future. President Trump has been pushing to end FEMA.
We want to wean off of FEMA, and we want to bring it down to the state level.
Trump yesterday.
Well, FEMA is something we can talk about later, but right now they're busy working, so we'll leave it at that.
FEMA was activated after President Trump issued a major disaster declaration. The Coast Guard is there working on search and rescue. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem says local authorities will get the help they need. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.